Okay, everybody, do not pull the fire alarm unless there is a real fire. So, when you are in a public building, you don't ever go up and pull the fire alarm whenever you want to. You don't ever do that. If you see something on fire, then you can pull it. But other than that, do not pull it. Or if there is a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, and you have permission to pull it for that. Or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department, it is fine to pull the fire alarm for those reasons, but never ever pull fire alarms for fun. That is the same as prank calling 911, so don't do that. Never pull the fire alarm, especially never smash the fire alarm. Because you are the one responsible for replacing that, because you're the one who broke it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you smashed it. It is your job to replace that. So you will have to pay the money for a new one because you're the one who broke it. So let's not face any of those consequences. But you are in complete control whether or not that happens. It is your control whether or not you have to face the consequences of replacing a broken fire alarm because you smashed the fire alarm. You are in complete control whether or not that happens. Don't do it. I am not responsible for your consequences if you pull the fire alarm or if you smash the fire alarm. So never pull the fire alarm and especially never smash the fire alarm. Bye.